Hey, what's going on, guys? This will be my student's second time backing up off the street. We had to back it up over there where that white truck is. We're gonna go in here and set up and back up. It'll be his second time backing up off the street, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah. Hey guys, real quick. You've been watching my videos. You've been thinking about coming out here over the road, and you're thinking about coming to Prime. You know, fill out the application, put me down as a referral. As a matter of fact, in the description of the video, there's a link to the application. Fill that out and then follow up after you fill out the application, all right, guys?
Piernita para allá, moviéndola así.
All right, let's do this.
You know you're on YouTube, right?
Oh, I didn't know you watching too.
I watch you, man. I've been watching you for a long time.
Okay.
So what do you suggest? I need to put my hand there.
You'll see. We're gonna do the same thing. I just told him. Stay on this lane for now. So stay on this lane for now. Soon as we clear that truck, you're gonna go over there, okay? Watch the back of the trailer. All right, stop right here, stop right there. Let him go by, because you need this space. All right, do it. All right, get in. Yeah. All right, so he's setting up. Wait. You gotta keep going. Remember, you're looking for the tandems to be here. I got you, hold on. Go ahead. Go ahead, man. Get good, come on. Hold on. So that black car was in the way. So just keep an eye out over there, okay? Keep an eye out over there. All right, don't, yeah. Yep. Get under it. Watch that curve. Watch that curve. You got too close to that curve. You gotta start to get under it. Watch the curve. All right, get under it all the way. All right, straighten it out. Get under it. All right. Get under all the way. going to 3, you said, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Start getting over that at 3.
Go ahead and start kicking it away.
Away from 3.
Yeah, away from 3. Yeah. All right. Go ahead, back up a little bit more. Keep going, keep going. Let him go in. Let him go in. Back up a little bit more. Back up a little bit more. You good? All right. Let's get out and open the doors and so you can look. I got you. Look at the spot for now. So he moved.
Want me to get 4?
No, that's fine. You can go to 3.
Okay.
3. Just, you're gonna pull up. So you're gonna pull up because we got out the way off the road.
Right.
So at this point, you're gonna pull up and kind of pull it to the right to kind of slight setup.
Okay.
And then do your thing from here.
Right and get back under it, or just directly to the right?
No, to the right and get back to the left.
Okay.
But that's, you're setting yourself up to pull it in here. And you see old boy over there? Yeah, 3. Hey, get under it. You gotta get under it. No, the other way. The other way. Yeah. Just watch this curve, man. Watch this curve right here. Watch the curve now. Just a little bit. All right, get under, yeah. That's it, man, you got it. Go to the right, go to the right. You wanna pull the trailer to your right. Remember, you wanna pull the trailer to your right? Go ahead, you good. Don't worry about traffic. Now come back to your left. All right, I'm gonna go stand so I can give you some kind of guidance, all right? Because it's hard to see from here. Over here. Keep it straight, 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 keep it straight. Yeah, keep it straight. Yeah, come on. Yeah, start bringing it in. Start bringing it in. Yeah. All right, now start turning the wheel. Yep, 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 yep. Turn it, turn it. Because this is right here. Yep. 3, yes, 3. Come on. Luckily, we ain't got nobody next to us, so we good. Start to get under it. Start to get under it. Yeah. Just watch over there. Watch over there. Yeah, you good. All right. That's it, baby. Yeah, yeah. You wanna get under it. You wanna get under it. Bam. Woo. All right. Yeah, 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 yeah. At this point, you're gonna look at both sides. Once you're in the box, you wanna guide yourself with the dock bumpers.
Okay.
And then work it. Good. Look at both sides. Yep, look at both sides. All right, get it straight. Yep, yep. Yep. Look at both sides. You good? Are you straight?
That's good.
All right, that's it, baby. Doors?
Yeah.
Why? What happened?
Oh, he got me the number 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, tell him number 3 then.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him number 3.
Yeah. All right, real quick. So, what did you think about this? The backup. First of all, the setup.
The setup was good.
The black car got in the way. He seen us coming. He kept coming. I told you keep coming because we was already committed. We was on his lane. You know, just set it up. If he hadn't been there, we would have been a little bit more centered. We would have had room on the curve on the other side, and you'll see what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Now, as far as everything else, what'd you think?
Nerves with the traffic and blocking.
I told you, man, I had you. I got you, man. I got you. When stuff like this happens, I always tell my students, I got you. Do your thing, and I control people, traffic, whatever, you know what I mean? I mean, we're already doing it. I mean, they can't do nothing.
Well,
I mean,
it was sound.
Okay, okay. Definitely different than the one early this morning.
Much different.
And then, you see the old boy over there, he set up the same way he did. Because I told him we was about to do it, and then because he wasn't sure, and then they did the same thing we did.
Okay.
And then I called him over here because he was holding it, and I said, get on there. So he was able to get it in there. So yeah, man, you did good, man, real good. Okay. And then the reason I had you back up and then pull up, you know, we wanted to be out the way, open the doors, and then so you can see what we were working with.
So just in the future, after I did my setup, we wanted the tandem to come in as close to the curb as possible.
What you did was fine.
I just wanted to know if I need to be.
Nope.
When the trailer came in, if the trailer needs to be lined up over here or a little bit further. Maybe over here.
I think you was over here.
Oh yeah.
That was fine because if there's other trucks over here, you would.
Right.
This is where you would need to be at.
Okay.
So you was perfect because you came in almost centered.
Okay.
I mean, good. You didn't come close to the left or to the right.
Okay.
So that was fine. Now what we did is we came in, looked at our area, the spot, and then did a small setup. Yeah. Now you turned to the right and then you went back left, but all you did was turn the wheel.
Gotcha.
We want to
trailer.
We want to pull the trailer. Yes. So yeah, man, that's good, man. That's good. You did good.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.